In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your LinkedIn account to dark mode. If you've updated your browser and the LinkedIn app or site, you should have access to this feature. Dark mode is easier on the eyes in low light, and it prevents bright highlights from blowing out if you're on a live stream or sharing your screen. We'll start on the LinkedIn homepage. At the top of the screen, open your profile menu, the one under your avatar. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is your control center for account and display preferences. Next, go to Account Preferences. Inside this section, you'll find the appearance options. Look for the dark mode setting. Select dark mode. You'll see the change take effect immediately. No restart or refresh needed. Background shift to deeper tones, text becomes lighter, and the contrast is tuned to soften harsh whites. As you scroll through your feed, check messages, and view notifications or profiles, the entire experience adopts the darker theme. This is a display preference on your device only. It doesn't alter how your profile content appears to other people, it simply changes how you see LinkedIn. Beyond the new look, dark mode can reduce glare during late-night work, make text more comfortable to read in dim rooms, and on some devices with OLED screens, may even help conserve a bit of battery. On mobile, the path is the same. Open Settings and Privacy, go to Account Preferences, and choose Dark Mode. The layout may vary slightly depending on your device, but the option is in the same place. If the Dark Mode option isn't showing up, make sure your browser is current. After updating, sign in again and check the setting. Sometimes new features roll out gradually, so if everything's up to date, it may appear after a short time. Once Dark Mode is on, click around for a moment, open a post, skim your messages, and confirm everything looks consistent. If anything seems off, a quick refresh can help. And if you ever want to switch back, return to the same place in settings and choose the standard light look. Pick whatever feels most comfortable for your eyes and your workspace. I hope this quick guide helped you turn on dark mode and make LinkedIn easier to use. I'll be sharing more videos that simplify tech and social media, so stay tuned. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Have a great day.